Hello YouTube, Robert here from Canada's North, God's country, and today I have an unboxing. I haven't done one in a while, so I thought you might like that. I have some interesting stuff here that I sent away to the States for, and yeah, let's see what I got going on. Cheers! Happy Thanksgiving to you. Happy Thanksgiving to you, YouTube. So let's check it out. Now, I know we're all still stacking and prices have stayed a lot the same. And prices have been good. You can't complain at all. Any little bit about it. Anyways, so this is from Apmex. And wow, it's been a while since I've gotten something from them. And normally, I've just been going through Silver Gold Bull because all the prices are better. But they haven't been offering. The boxing here, Apmex. This is pretty good. Is it Apmex? Yeah, this is Apmex. The boxing is pretty damn good. Look at that. You can't complain one bit about the security of that. So here we go. So I wanted some stuff, and you know, ordering out of the States lately has gotten a little silly. The prices, like in comparison to what you can get at Silver Gold Bull, frankly, they can't compete. Silver Gold Bull is better. But Silver Gold Bull's products have been getting pretty lame. They haven't been upgrading a lot of the stuff, and frankly, you just can't get the neat stuff. They're just not pulling it in. But that's okay. So anyways, I seen some really neat stuff from Apmex, and I ordered it, and I overpaid, sure. But you know what? My stack is big, and I just thought you'd really dig this. Now, wow. Here we have, this is a 5-ounce round, and you know, for the extra price I paid on it, I'm really happy they provided it with a capsule. Here we have, this is the 5-ounce Morrigan round. Look, wow. Okay, so this is worth the overpaying. This is the Goddess Morrigan, and she is definitely close to my heart in many ways, but that's a whole other video, and we won't go there. So anyhow, a 5-ounce round from the Celtic Lore series, and this is a 5-ounce of 999 fine silver, and this is beautiful, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I love that. Look at that, YouTube. Look at that. The Goddess Morrigan, and I would think this would definitely be in, she is a trifecta goddess, I guess. I think this would be the Babkatha, the Battle Crow. Absolutely stunning. This is probably my favorite 5-ounce piece I'm going to have now in my collection. I'm going to get some more of these before they're all gone. Absolutely beautiful. From the Celtic Lore series that is being held by Apmex. Absolutely fantastic. A beautiful strike. If you can see, a nice deep strike of everything. And she is a beauty, YouTube. She is a beauty. And so I got that one, and it comes with a nice little insert as well. Howard David Johnson, I believe, is the artist, and it shows his piece of the original artwork that inspired the round, which is absolutely beautiful. Actually, I would love a piece like that on my wall. And so Apmex, having fantastic stuff, also had these really nice 1-ounce round. These are the Tree of Life, and I got a passel of these, a whole bunch of them, as you can obviously see. I figured if I was going to overpay, I might as well get a bunch of them, and they're fantastic. This is like jewelry grade rounds, very deep casting. Absolutely beautiful. Fantastic. These are great rounds. Like, look at these. And these were a really great price. Well, they're selling them at $20 a round. Mind you, by the time, you know, if you pay with credit card and stuff, you pay more. And then because you're ordering out of country, it's kind of a pain in the neck. But if you want some, frankly, beautiful rounds that aren't being carried in Canada, I would say check out Apmex. Yeah, you're going to pay a little more when you're shipping out of the country. It seems it's kind of how they do their thing, but The packing's excellent. The service is really good. And you're getting products that you just can't get in Canada. Let's see. Come on now. There we go. Doo-doo-doo. Absolutely beautiful. So, the 5-ounce Holy Morrigan Bob Katha. And these beautiful castings of the Tree of Life. I'm happy. These are going to add very nicely in my stack, in my hoard of silver and gold. You know, I'm really smitten by them. So I think goodbye. Had to overpay, of course, because I bought them out of Canada. And yeah, they kind of charged me a premium for that. But it's worth it because I'm not getting these here. Nobody's offering these in Canada. So I figure snap these up. These Morrigan 5-ouncers, these are stunning. And I am going to probably buy 2 or 3 more of them just to have them in my stack. They're beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Anyhow, YouTube, I appreciate your time. I hope you liked looking at the rounds and the unboxing video. Have a lovely day. And it's Thanksgiving, so enjoy yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day.